guys, back at Shonda Honda. Here's side 2, but this one's going to be a full-length video so you guys can actually, see how to do it. So this is how I have to open it. I have to basically pry my hand in there, and then it opens. This one still has the door panel on it. Now I got this little white piece right here. It's coming out. Same thing, Phillips. And if you don't see it, it does slide forward, pushed back. That's going to definitely not helping. And you can put this back in, or you could throw it away. I mean, if you're gonna throw that 1 ounce of freaking plastic away, weight savings, Honda, make it go faster. That's on you. Barely moved the door panel, literally folded like an omelet. A couple clips in here I want to keep. These go to the front of the car. I threw me. I don't know if you can see it. There's bolt number 1, bolt number 2. If this adjusts eventually, is right back here. So when you're taking this off, there is the this rod right here goes up to the top of the door handle. You're gonna have to remove that. So to make this easy, I have to go up on the front side. So let's do that real quick. Try and get room for you guys to fit in here and me. I have this little tiny wrench I keep on my keys. So taking it off because I might use it. Because there's a little clip down here. What a nightmare. Okay. Anyway, the clip for the lock rod broke, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. But what I mean for that little wrench is, if you can see right there, I take the tip of this little wrench, I put it in right there. Sorry. Back it up a little bit, and bam! Here comes that spring. So if I could have just did that, this could have came straight out like that. But it was being shove the door handle back in. One bolt again. Thread it. Not tight, just snug. Now this metal backing, it goes this stuff I had a hard time with. Easier 2 hands because putting pressure on the front of the handle is what makes it a little bit easier. I think I tightened it just a little too much by hand. Back that off just a hair. So now that I have it aligned, I think you can see it. You see it right there. Keyhole and everything's all aligned. No pin in yet. It's still right here. Use the old one. The old one, they go out like this instead of being like the new one where they look like that. So that would be the 2 difference. Except for I can't get them on screen because I'm an idiot. Look at that. Okay. So, and the way this one goes in, it goes with the arm out towards the street. So, like so. So we go in, and it's going to hold position right there. So just like that, with the arm outwards. And then I'm going to take you a little clip here. This is probably the hardest part of the process. I think the way I did it the first time was I went under, make sure the lock mechanism all the way in, and then you see how I got it positioned. I'm going to push that locking pin all the way up, like so. Where's my flat? Now, you hear that snap? That is all the way in. At least I hope so. Try it again. There you go. That snap. That's how you know it's all the way in. So now that everything has basically fallen into place or snapped into place, take your little ratchet, snug this side up. Not too tight, not too tight. Remember, everything's pretty much cheap Chinese nowadays, so. The rod is out. It's supposed to go all the way up there. I don't know if you can see it. It's the white piece in the black. Anyway, I messed that up. How's that? All right, so that's the first click. You might be able to get away with some kind of pliers, like needle nose. Okay, now that one's in all the way. Double check. We're good.